Jesse Adler, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking apart this floor fan by Tornado. As you can see, it has a little wall outlet, and it has a little potentiometer there that adjusts its speed. And I just tested if it works, and it doesn't really work. It just turns on slightly, but not high at all. Like, it spins like this fast, super slow. So it's not going to work as a fan, so it's great to take apart. First, it looks like these little latches detach the front from the back. So I'm going to do that first. Got the front right off. You can see the inside of the fan there. There's actually a pretty decently sized motor in there. But down here, it looks like I'm going to have to get the back off to get the motor out. And I think I can just pry it off with this. Let's see if that works. Oh, that's perfect. Got it right out. Gonna go get some wrenches to get those screws out, and we'll hop it out in no time. So I just kind of took the screws off with this little screwdriver with a nut on the end, and this is what it looks like. You can see the motor came off on this side, and what I'm gonna do is, because it doesn't work, there's not a super big use of keeping it attached, so I'll just test the motor separately. So I'm just gonna cut these wires and take the motor out. So I just got the motor out. You can see it's pretty big. Here it is next to my hand, and it's pretty heavy. I just walked around with it. But yeah, you can see there's the tag if you want to know more about it. That's what it is. It takes 100 to 120 volts. It spins at 1,550 RPM. Sorry about that. But yeah, over here we can see this is the wires came in here. There was a potentiometer. Then they came through the tubing up and around here and connected. I cut them here just because of laziness. It was pretty easy, but I cut them too short, and now they're way inside of there. And I'd wanted to test with a multi-tester the voltage coming out of them to see if the so this fan is not working, and I wanted to see if the voltage coming out of the wires inside there is right, because that would mean that there's an error here, not in the motor. That's what I'm hoping for. If there's an error in the motor, I can't use it, and I'll just have to throw this away. But if I can actually use the motor, that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, so I'm going to use a hacksaw to open that up, get the wires out, and use a multi-tester to test them. So I just cut it open partially so that I didn't cut the wires, and then I used a hammer to bend it open, and I got the wires out, and now I'm going to use a multi-tester once it's plugged in to test it. Now this is a reminder, please don't do this at home. This is dangerous, having the wires close to each other when it's plugged in. So yeah, dangerous. So I just tested it, it's the next day, and it works perfectly fine in there. So that means that the problem is in the motor, which is what I expected, but not really what I wanted. But there we go, that's it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, please check out either a video up there in the playlist for all those What's Inside videos, or subscribe over there. Bye.